Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the styling of user tips. We'll discuss what is a user tip, the user tip parts and how you can style them, and changing the user tip position in relation to the element it is used for. User tips, also known as tooltips, are text labels that appear when the user hovers over an item to display information about it without needing to click on it. Let's say that you've added an element to the canvas, an email field as I've done here. And in that element's properties, we set the user tip as so. If we preview and hover the mouse over that element, we will see that user tip. User tips can be styled in Project, Style, Configure. Search the elements for user tip. It is under Project Level Elements. The tip consists of two parts: the root, which refers to the rectangle container that holds the text, and the arrow, which refers to the upside-down arrowhead that is stuck to the bottom of the rectangle. Under the root category, you can change the font of the text in the tooltip, the fill, and add padding to make the tip container larger. I'll make the fill black. We'll add a padding of 10 on all sides. And we'll select a font color of white and a size of 18 pixels. Under the arrow category, you can set a different color for the arrowhead and change its size. We'll make it black, size 30. You can also select the position of the user tip in relation to the element it is used. This is in Project Settings, Site Elements, Tooltip Position. I'll change it from top to bottom. If we refresh our preview, and that is how it's done.